Hey y'all, it's a Drake and I'm back again with another video. So this video is basically gonna be me installing a wig. I got this wig from Amazon and this is what's on it, and I'm finna show y'all what all came when the wig came, and it came in 3 days, you know. So y'all, this is the wig, and I customized, well, I plucked it and everything, but this is the wig, and so far it do shit, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it's because I've been plucking it, so I'm gonna wait to give y'all a later review on that. And yeah, so y'all just gonna see me install this. Okay, and so this is the bag that it came in, and I thought that was, you know, that's unique because I ain't never seen that. And ooh, a cap came in here, which I'm finna use, and a like elastic bag came with it that I have to sew, and which go behind, which I'm not gonna be using though. And then these the clip-ins. So, and that's it, and that was very cute. So we finna go ahead and get to the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Frey.May. And I'm gonna search it only Drake on my Twitter, Drake. Let's get to the video. I'm using Eco Styling Gel to lay the front of my hair down and just make sure everything be laid down that way, so when the glue come, I won't have it on my real hair, and it should just be on my forehead. Now I'm going over the Eco Styling Gel with the Got to Be gel, and I use this kind because it's like a gel really, and it's just laying my hair down even more because Eco Styling Gel, it just curls my hair, but Got to Be is actually going to like keep it together. Spraying Got to Be sprayed over my hair because I just want everything to be laid down and getting ready to stick for the cap. I'm blow drying my hair, that way the Got to Be and the Got to Be gel can go ahead and work together. That way when I put my cap on, it all be smooth and slick. I'm spraying the Got to Be spray around my edges because that's where I want the cap to be, and that's where I want the cap to stay. And I'm blow drying because I want the cap to stay down and to stay right there. I blow dry for at least 5 to 7 minutes. I'm doing the same routine, putting the Got to Be around my edges, and then I'm going to put the Got to Be gel around my edges. And I'm doing this because I want my cap to lay down for a few days or close to a week. So that's how long I want my hair done, and yeah. I blow dry from like 10 to 15 minutes because, like I've been saying, I want the cap to stay down. So moving forward, I'm poking holes on the side. That way I can make it go past my ear. I can't really explain this part. You just gotta look. But that's what I'm doing, and I'm doing it on both sides. And I do that because we want the lace in the cap to be laid down on my ear to ear because it is a frontal. Now I am cutting where I want the cap to stop. And this is a big step because if you cut too far down, it's going to be on your forehead. And it's all depending on where you want your baby hairs, where you want your lace to stop. You want to make sure close to your ears don't like pop up and just stay up. You got to make sure you glue that part extra down because it's going to try to come up. And I feel like that is the hardest part with doing frontals, is keeping the ears down during this method. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm putting the wig on, just making sure I know where I want it, how it looks, and I think it looked very good for it to be. This is one of the best frontals I done did, so I think it looked very good. I'm placing the glue in dots because I've been watching more videos on how to do frontals, and I seen when you do dots, basically they make it more neater instead of just making it so messy. Because how I used to do it used to just be messy and just used to be a mess. And so this actually wasn't a mess, and I actually didn't even get no glue on me or nothing. It was actually kind of, it was better. I let the glue dry for a long time because I wanted this to be perfect and really good. So I let it dry for a long time, maybe like 15 minutes at the most. And right now I'm just combing it and I'm finna blow dry to make sure it stays, because the white glue is still showing, but it's gonna go away in a few minutes. I'm cutting the extra lace that's right there so that my frontal can be from ear to ear and actually be for me and not, I want to, it's customized, so I got to make it fit me. Moving on, I am cutting the lace to my liking and where I wanted it. And when you're cutting your lace, you want to think about where you want your baby hairs and hair, all that. So, yeah. I'm spraying Eco Styling Gel all around my edge part because I'm finna tie this hair up and we're just gonna let it melt like that. I'm using mousse to help my hair lay down, and I'm using mousse that has no alcohol in it. You should want to use mousse with no alcohol because alcohol helps you take down your lace. So you don't want to put alcohol on your hair and you just trying to do it. I was thinking about doing the middle part, but then I was just like, nah, I don't want to do a middle part
so
yet.
I'm plucking the side part because I didn't pluck it to the side part, and I didn't even think about which part I wanted. Well, I really plucked it on the other part, but I realized I wanted it on this side, so I have to do it while it was on my head, which was okay. I'm using a wand to make my hair lay down and to stay flat and make the part look really deeper. So I pulled out the edges that I want, and I'm going to be cutting them. And I'm not cutting them with scissors, but I am cutting them. And
okay, so I'm really done. I'm just gonna style it. I don't know if I want to wet it or what. I might, but this is my edges, and I think I did very good because my frontals be looking a total hot mess. But yes, I feel like this is not a frontal for uh this is not a frontal for like if you wear frontals on a daily basis. No, I feel like this is a frontal for a beginner, which I am still a beginner, even though I've been wearing wigs and all of that. But I am still a beginner because I still need to work on plucking. I still need to learn her work on a lot of other things. So I don't feel like this is just for a person that's advanced, because you're gonna be like, well, this look like this and this is this. And I'm gonna put how much and all that was. I think it was like $200. But I feel like it's worth it because I had worse hair before that was from companies that a lot of people bought from. So yeah. And being honest, I think it does shed, but we just gonna see. I'm gonna do an update on this if that's what y'all want. And yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Freddie.May. Add me on Stitcher, only.Jicka, my Twitter, Jicka Love 12. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. See you in this video. Bye.